Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable always on display on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer, then go to settings. From here, just tap on display. Now to enable always on display, just tap on always on display. Now you have two options to enable always on display. You can either select smart. Now, as you can see, turning on always on display may halve the battery life and the raise to wake feature will be turned off. Now just tap on done. Or you have the option of scheduled. Now just tap on done, and from here you can set a schedule when to start and to end always on display. Now just tap on start and you can set a start time, then tap on end and you can set the time when you want to end the always on display mode. Now just tap on done. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled always on display on our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to disable always on display, just tap on the screen to open the Smart Band. Now just go to settings, then tap on display, and from here to turn off always on display, just tap on always on display, then select off. Now once you select off, you will turn off the always on display feature. And this is how you can enable and disable always on display on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.